Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I take on a 70s classic and make it even better. Alright, here I've got some nice big fresh green king prawns, and I've just cut the legs off those, and I've ripped the heads off, of course, and I'm going to put a skewer through the prawns and straighten these little buggers up, make them nice and straight. They'll present really nicely at the end. So just keep skewering your prawns through. Now I'm using fresh prawns. This worked out really economical because I got them for $16 a kilo. Right, really heavily salted water. Bring that up to the boil. Alright, no rocket science to that. Right, once we've got a little bit of boilage happening like that, all I'm going to do is put those prawns straight in. The skewers hanging out, of course. Right, I'm going to boil these up for, cook this for about 3 minutes or so. They'll go a nice vibrant red, and you'll know they're cooked at that point. If you haven't cooked your own prawns before, nothing beats it. You know they're fresh. They haven't been frozen, these prawns. They came straight from the fishmonger. Came straight off the boat from down the coast, straight up here to Canberra, and yeah, absolutely beautiful and fresh. Just make sure we get both sides of those cooked. As I said, about 3 minutes or so. Take those out and get them straight into some ice cold water. Right, I don't have the provision to make ice. My freezer is full of food, so I've just had that water sitting in the refrigerator right at its coldest point. That water is like 3 degrees. Alright, so once we've chilled those down, all we have to do now is pull out the sticks, because they don't taste good. And because we've already cut the legs off, peeling these prawns is so simple to do. Very, very easy. So all we have to do now is just go through all those prawns and peel them. It's probably the only part about making your own fresh prawn cocktail, which is not the fun bit, which is peeling the prawns. Now, if you want to go and buy prawns that are already peeled, you can do so. I'm doing this because, look, $16 a kilo, I could not pass that up. I'd rather spend a little bit of time and a little bit of effort. That's worth every bit of $16. I'm just going to put a nice little incision in those prawns, and I'm going to remove the intestinal tract. Alright, very similar to the way I got my prawns ready for making my little Japanese sushi. Alright, so you can cut them from the back or you can cut them from the bottom. It doesn't really matter. The important thing is we get rid of that intestinal tract. Now, let's make up a little bit of a dressing. A little bit of Dijon mustard going into a bowl. I'm just going to use store-bought mayo. Alright, we're going to put a good squirt of that in, and you can make as much or little of this dressing as you wish. Alright, a little bit of tomato sauce. You can add as much or little as you want, and this is how you make a real quick and easy seafood dressing. Give all that a bit of a quick stir, just like that. Really simple. And I'm probably going to want a little bit more flavour to that, so I'm just going to get a little bit of garlic aioli and put a little bit of that in. Alright, so you already got that garlic flavour in there. You could add a bit of garlic oil if you had that, but this is nice, quick and easy. Alright, so give that all that a good stir, just like that. Really simple. And all we have to do now is add our nice, freshly cleaned up prawns straight into that mixture. Right, give that a quick little bit of a toss. Make sure all those prawns get coated in that beautiful dressing that we just made. Alright, now you don't want to make your own dressing, just go buy a seafood sauce. You can do that as well. Right, a little bit of lettuce into the bottom of some martini glasses. I am going full on 1970s on this one. Alright, this is the way my mother used to do it. God rest her soul. Alright, so a little bit of avocado. Right, it's going to add a little bit more richness, a little bit more creaminess to this, and I'm trying to get the presentation right for once. It's nothing I really specialise in, but every now and then I like to try, even with my MS and the way my hands work. So put the avocado around just like that. Right, and all we have to do now is get our prawns and try and present them as best as we possibly can, so we can impress our family and friends, alright, or your significant other. Okay, so we're just going to put our prawns around like that, get them standing up, give it a bit of height on them so they look really, really nice. put those prawns in, and look, I did buy quite a lot of prawns, so a little bit more avocado, a little bit more shredded lettuce on top, and before you know it, you've taken 1970s and brought it forward a little bit, not much, but just a little bit. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, gives me a comment, it should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. If you don't like the video, hit the like button because KP said so. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. I do read and I do respond to every single comment. The valid ones, of course. But in the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something really simple, really easy, and incredibly fresh, just like this one, 1970s brought forward to the 2020s, where you need to come and join the family, my family, hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my fresh prawn cocktail, and I will catch you next time. Bye.